In order to log out of Netflix on Smart TV in 2026, you need to first open the application. Then after, go ahead and navigate to the left menu and choose Sign Out. Alternatively, you can sign out remotely via the Netflix application as well, or website under Account, then Manage Access and Methods, and then Log Out. Then confirm by selecting Yes. And if you want to log out using the remote control sequence, which is the hidden menu, if your app version lacks a Get Help option, you can use the following sequence on your remote while on the Netflix home screen, which is press up twice, then press down twice, press left once, press right once, press left once again, and press right once, and press up 4 times, and then select Sign Out. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.